Good day everyone, I am Rina Valvesa and today I will be talking about the ideal gas law. Introduction of ideal gas law. The ideal gas law is an equation of state for gases. It relates pressure P, volume V, temperature T, and number of moles N. The equation is PV equals in RT. R equals ideal constant. Key variable equation. P equals pressure measured in atmosphere. V equals volume measured in liters. N equals number of moles. R equals ideal gas constant. T equals temperature measured in Kelvin. A step in solving ideal gas problems. First, identifying the given values. PV, and RT. Second, convert units to the correct ones like ATM, L, and key. Third, rearrange your formula PV in RT to find the unknown. Fourth, substitute the values into the formula. Fifth, solve the missing variables. So let's solve this problem. For example, a gas occupies 2.5 liters at 1 atmosphere and 300 Kelvin. How many moles are present? The given is P equals 1 atm, V equals 2.5 liters, T equals 300 Kelvin, R equals 0.0821 liters atmosphere/moles Kelvin. We need to find N. The formula is N equals PV over RT. N equals PV. So P is 1 atm and V is 2.5. So 1 atm times 2.5 liters over V over RT. So R is constant, so 0.0821 liters atmosphere mole Kelvin, and T is 300 Kelvin. So the answer is 0.10 moles. So the gas is 0.10 moles. So and that's all. Thank you.